Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Dent coin. What's the price of Dent? What's the price changes occur in a Dent coin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So the right now price of Dent coin in the market, you can see here 0.004316 USD dollar. Still, guys, the Dent coin price in the market is very low, guys. So I think the low price coin is good for investment. And now in the right now situation, if we talk about the price changes, so the price changes of Dent coin also going positive, 15.54%. 15.54% positive changes occur in the Dent coin. In last 1 hour change is about 0.64%, guys. So the changes is going positive. Update is going positive. I really recommend for you to buy Dent coin, guys. Anyways, now let me show you the price chart. You can see here, guys, absolutely the price pumping very high. Yeah, I really recommend for you to buy now Dent coin, guys, continuously. Now it is a long time jump, guys. It is just the beginning. Just wait, and that's why, guys, I recommend for you to please hold. Never decide to sell, guys. It's time to hold. You can see, and I'm sure that to the last of September, to the last of 30 September, Dent will continue this kind of pumping, guys. Anyways, guys, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Dent coin, good or bad? Are you feeling good about Dent coin or bad? Tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.